Okay, guys, I've recently updated the Cyman Mark II digital butler, and I have a couple of updates that I actually want to demonstrate. The first of which is offline commands. So there's a small subset of commands that you can use when you're not connected to the internet. And I've introduced that now. So the first thing I'm going to do is put myself on airplane mode right there. And the next thing I'll do is open Cyman. And just to show that Cyman actually can't connect to his servers, I'll just give a generic command. How are you?
I was unable to connect to my server due to network problems.
Cool. I'll just increase the volume there. Yeah, so we can't connect to his server. But we can open apps. Um, let's see, there's a game called 2048, which I'll open. Open 2048. And there we have it. We can also play music. So let's go back there. Play Avengers Assemble.
Located Avengers
Right? And there are other small things. I'm in airport mode now, so it's kind of pointless to demonstrate. But you could also turn on your Bluetooth. You could say turn on my Wi-Fi. You can also say pause to pause your music. Um, yeah, so some of those important functions, there'll be more as time goes on. The other important things that can work offline is when you receive a text. Um, if you receive a text, Cyman can let you know that you've received a text. If you go into your preferences right here and you go down to enable announce incoming text, then when you receive a text, then um, you can say reply, and that all works offline. And you can say what your reply is, or you can ask them to read it. Um, the other feature that I've updated for version 20.15, if you enable incoming call alerts, then when you get a call, then Cyman will actually say incoming call alert from whoever it is and say who's calling. So you can use that as an alternative to your ringtone or in addition to your ringtone. Um, and let's get airplane mode back on. And the other thing that you can do when your phone reboots, Cyman can do something for you. All you need to do is create a start protocol. Sorry, a start Android protocol. You need to create a start Android protocol, and Cyman will run that when your phone reboots. So, for instance, if we look at mine, manage my protocols.
You have the following protocols available. One,
Let's stop him talking. And my start Android protocol is number 6. So 6.
you have the following commands under Protocol Start Android available. 1. Open Cyman Mark II. 2. Play Jarvis on.
So um, so the first thing it does, it opens Summit Mark II. So what that does is it helps me to have Cyman on after the phone reboots. Also, it plays a nice little clip which I downloaded from Zedge. I'll actually run that command now so you can see what it does. Play Jarvis on.
Located Jarvis on.
Preferences and calibrating virtual environment. I have indeed been uploaded, sir. We're online and ready. That's your service, sir.
So that's what it does when my phone reboots, as well as opening this app. So yeah, so it gives you a bit of more control over Cyman's behavior. The one last thing is I've given you control over another protocol, which is the battery protocol. So when you're running low on battery power, someone can run some commands for you. For instance, turning off your Bluetooth or Wi-Fi to save battery, or if you have voice activation mode on, then it could turn it off automatically, for example. Yeah, so just giving you a bit more control. I fixed scheduled commands, so that should work a bit better. So if you say something like, remember to say hello in 30 seconds.
Successfully scheduled the command. Say hello.
Thank you. So yeah, so stuff like that wasn't working too well recently. I've fixed that now. You can also have obviously more complicated things for him to do. For instance, I have one that actually finds out what the World Cup status is and then tweets it every 6 hours. I use a protocol for that. I created a new protocol called World Cup Protocol, and it does all that. In fact, I'll show you what the tweet actually does. First of all, I'll show you the protocol, and I'll show you what the tweet does, what the tweet looks like afterwards. So let's go here. Manage my protocols.
You have the following protocols available. 1. Hello.
So that's the say hello thing that ran earlier. Right, so World Cup, World Cup, World Cup. 2.
Not that many then.
Okay, he's interrupted my flow. Manage my protocols.
You have the following protocols available. 1.
2.
You have the following commands under Protocol World Cup available. 1. Who is playing at the World Cup? 2. Tweet that. 3. Remember to run the World Cup protocol in 6 hours.
There you have it. So when I run that, when I say run the World Cup protocol, then it asks who is playing at the World Cup. It finds out the information. I say it then runs tweet that, and then it tweets it, and it puts it into a nice format so that it's within the 140 characters, and then it runs the World Cup protocol again 6 hours time. If we see when it's going to do that next, show me your to-do list.
Retrieving what I have to do today over the next 24 hours. You have one task scheduled. 11:37. Run the World Cup protocol.
So that's the next time that Cyman is going to run the protocol, because it schedules it every 6 hours. So that's the majority of the things. I've made a few other fixes, including with music and whatnot, but enjoy. And if you find these little update tutorials, which I'm using Google Glass for, then let me know in the comments, and I'll do some more. Cheers. Bye bye.